welcome to another video of PB&J makes weird stuff at home.
Weird stuff.
Weird stuff at home.
So weird. It's also very good. So good. Weird but good.
As you already know in the title, this is our first episode, but today we are making Juicy Lucy's that also come from Minnesota. That's also where the Mighty Ducks are from, interesting fact. So, we're heading to Walmart to get that stuff. We'll see you there, back at the house, in 5 seconds. Power of editing.
We are back from that, and it only took 5 seconds, so let's start get cooking.
Okay, so we got our beef. Always very important. We got 85.15 beef here, 3 pounds, okay? And we got our cheddar cheese. Very important to today's recipe.
Mild cheddar, not sharp cheddar.
Mild cheddar. Don't want to be too sharp.
Right.
Okay? And we got our buns. These are very fancy buns. Very expensive buns, okay? Then we have our secret seasoning. Unfortunately, we can't tell you this, but if you like and subscribe, you'll be able to see more videos like this with the secret seasoning. Then we have our bacon bits. Also very important, add flavor, and come on, who doesn't like bacon?
Don't forget the bacon.
Don't forget the bacon bits. So the more you shape it together, the more it's gonna come together. Okay. So the more you just grind them out, the better they're gonna be. Okay. This might be a big failure or a big success. Oh, bacon. I almost forgot it. Oh, that's too much. Are you okay?
Rest in peace. These are new socks and we're slippery. That one's a big one. Now before we start cooking them,
We have to wash our hands because we are sanitary. We'll be back in 3 seconds.
3, 2, 1.
We're back. We're gonna start grilling these hamburgers. You guys will see a montage of this, but this is going to be the best part of the process. Like and subscribe to hear more about how we made these. The sizzling sound of the burger. Maybe just a little bit size portionally wrong, but fun for the whole family.
We see the bacon bits.
Expert level. Yeah, something like this.
Just hold them there. Gotta make sure you don't burn those.
Just hold them there. Yeah, I think they're almost done. What do we think?
Yeah, it was great.
So, this is called a grease toast. Ready? Very good, very bad for you.